Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we dig into the markets, uncover opportunities, and analyze the risks so you can make informed investment decisions. Before moving further, we want to take a moment to express our deepest sorrow and extend our thoughts and prayers to all those affected by the devastating California wildfires. The loss of lives, homes, and livelihoods is a tragedy that cannot be overstated, and we stand in solidarity with the victims, their families, and the first responders who continue to risk their lives in the face of these disasters. Today, we're diving into Edison International, ticker symbol EIX, one of California's largest utility providers. This stock offers a unique mix of challenges and opportunities, and whether you're an income-focused investor or looking for long-term growth, there's a lot to unpack. Let's get started. Short-term outlook, 1 to 3 months, cautious hold. EIX's RSI of 10.35 places it deep in oversold territory, suggesting strong potential for a near-term rebound. However, with the 50-day moving average, $80.58, above the 30-day moving average, $79.07, bearish short-term pressure persists. Wildfire liability concerns add another layer of caution for short-term traders. Long-term outlook, 1 to 3 years, buy. For long-term investors, EIX presents a compelling opportunity. The company's focus on renewable energy, consistent dividend growth, and leadership in California's energy market provide a solid foundation for growth. That said, risks like wildfire liabilities, high debt levels, and regulatory challenges should not be ignored. Let's break this down further by analyzing EIX's recent performance, technical indicators, and fundamental strengths and challenges. Recent stock performance and predictions. The short-term fluctuations highlight volatility, but the oversold RSI supports a potential rebound. Strengths. 1. Leadership in renewable energy. EIX is heavily investing in renewable energy projects and infrastructure modernization to integrate clean energy sources. This aligns with global sustainability goals and positions the company for long-term growth. 2. Dividend history. The company has increased its dividend for 21 consecutive years, with a recent 6.1% increase in 2024, making it attractive to income-focused investors. 3. California market leader. EIX's dominance in California provides a predictable revenue stream, supported by the state's focus on clean energy initiatives. Weaknesses. 1. Wildfire liability risks. Operating in wildfire-prone California exposes EIX to significant liabilities under the state's inverse condemnation laws. Despite a wildfire fund designed to mitigate damages, concerns about adequacy persist. 2. Debt levels. High capital expenditures for renewable energy projects have resulted in significant debt, posing challenges in a rising interest rate environment. 3. Regulatory constraints. California's stringent regulations and rate caps limit operational flexibility and revenue growth potential. Recent events shaping EIX's stock. 1. Wildfire liabilities remain a concern. Despite efforts to address wildfire-related risks, EIX faces ongoing liability concerns. With wildfire incidents increasing, investors are closely watching the adequacy of mitigation funds and the company's risk management strategies. 2. Dividend growth reassures investors. EIX increased its dividend by 6.1% in 2024, reinforcing its appeal to income-focused investors and signaling financial resilience despite external challenges. 3. Renewable energy investments. The company is advancing its clean energy initiatives, modernizing infrastructure to integrate renewables, and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. This positions EIX favorably amid global sustainability efforts. Peer comparison. Edison International, EIX, exhibits several strengths and challenges compared to its competitors PG&E and Duke Energy. With a market capitalization of $21.45 billion, it is smaller than PG&E, $33.12 billion, and significantly smaller than Duke Energy, $78.54 billion. EIX and PG&E share a core focus on California utilities, while Duke Energy operates as a national utility. EIX's dividend yield of 4.5% surpasses Duke's 3.8% and PG&E's lack of dividends, offering a compelling advantage for income-focused investors. Additionally, EIX's projected earnings growth of 16% in 2025 outshines Duke Energy's 8% and contrasts sharply with PG&E's expected negative growth. However, EIX faces substantial regulatory challenges and high wildfire risk, which, while lower than PG&E's, remain significant compared to Duke Energy's moderate regulatory challenges and low wildfire risk. Overall, EIX's strong dividend yield and earnings growth highlight its potential, but its heightened wildfire exposure and regulatory pressures necessitate careful consideration. Final recommendations. Short-term, 1 to 3 months, hold. EIX's oversold RSI and stable performance suggest a technical rebound is likely in the short term. However, wildfire liabilities and regulatory pressures make this a conservative hold for now. Long-term, 1 to 3 years, buy. For long-term investors, EIX offers steady dividends, renewable energy growth potential, and leadership in California's utility market. While risks like wildfire liabilities and debt levels persist, EIX's infrastructure modernization and dividend consistency make it a solid pick for moderate-risk investors. Closing thought. Edison International, EIX, combines the appeal of a stable, income-generating investment with the potential for long-term growth through renewable energy and sustainability initiatives. While challenges like wildfire risks and debt levels require monitoring, EIX remains a compelling choice for investors seeking consistent returns in a rapidly evolving energy landscape. Disclaimer: this analysis is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial or investment advice. Always consult with a certified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. If you found this analysis helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish on EIX? How do you think renewable energy investments will impact utility stocks like Edison International? Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy investing!